Evening students, today we will be reading a new chapter and it's of 11th class from the Hornbill book and it's chapter number 2. As the name denotes, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. It denotes that if there is a unity in the family, there is a cooperation, there is understanding, there is togetherness, then nobody can defeat anyone. So same case happens with this family. When all the family members were together, they could have a challenge of the boat and of the world tour which they were going to have. And it was the best dream they had ever dreamt to have a world tour. So from the chapter as it begins, mainly there are 4 characters in the chapter. As you can see here, the author itself is the main character of the chapter and his wife and his 2 children. Wife name is Mary. She is near about 35 years old and she's a good businessman and she's very talented lady. Second is son. He is 6 years old and his name is Jonathan, a very courageous child, a very dedicated towards his work and very lovable child. Daughter. She is also very affectionate to her father and she loves her father very much. Her name is Suzanne and she is 7 years old. So these are the main 3 characters besides the author as the main character. The other 2 main characters in these chapters are, you can see here, they are 2 crewmen who have been hired by the author and their name is Harry and Swiss. Being American, they know the other languages so as they could help the author. And they were hired to tackle one of the roughest sea. Roughest sea, as you all know, it's the Southern Indian Ocean. This family's main aim, main dream and main motto was to have a world tour. And they started sailing from Plymouth. Their voyage was made earlier by James. That means this voyage was earlier made by James some 200 years ago. And they wanted to continue or they wanted to have a new kind of exploring of the same voyage. They wanted to explore the world by sailing and exploring their experiences. That means if they could have done their world tour, they wanted and they decided to share their exploring views. Exploring views means how they traveled, how they managed and how was the world tour. And this was not all of a sudden, it was pre-planned. The family made a boat for the last 16 years. That means the whole family with full dedication, with full cooperation and full enthusiasm and hard work, they could be able to make a fit boat and its name was given Waywalker. And for the last 16 years, they had been working on it. They had tested it so that before driving, could it be safe or unsafe. It was made of some 23 meters and 30 ton full of wooden. Wooden means it was of good wood used here. Tested earlier. Before their world tour starts or begins, they tested it earlier so that it could face the hardest weather. Hardest weather, any storms, any cyclone, any waves, like that. The first day when they started, it was very cool and very smooth. The journey was to the Cape Town and they crossed at least 1,05,000 kilometers with no obstacles, with no problems, with no injuries, with no hurdles and anything. So their first day crossed very easily and very nicely. But as the second day began, they had to face strong gales. See, I have written gales means waves. These are the very hard waves which can hit the boat. Not only humans but also the boat and the other things, which were very harsh. Its height was up to 15 meters. That was done on the second day. The height of the wave was 15 meters. That means it was very harsh, it was very rude and it was very unable to control or unable to face. So like this they passed their days and on 25th December, as you all know, it's a Christmas day. And the family also wanted to celebrate their Christmas day. So they could celebrate only in the ship because they were not in the house or they were not in any party. Actually they were in the boat. The author's ship was in Southern Indian Ocean. Anyhow, before celebrating the Christmas, everything was very smooth. So they could easily celebrate the Christmas. After celebrating the Christmas, they crossed 3,500 kilometers to the east of Cape Town. Earlier they were in the other part of the Cape Town. Now they have crossed 3,500 kilometers to the east of Cape Town. So here also it was no such problem. January 2nd, the waves were gigantic, unfriendly, rude, and harsh. This compelled them to slow the movement of the ship. The author knew that if he is going to have a very speedy boat, then it could damage not only the boat but also the family also could die. So what they decided to slow the movement of the ship. They took precautions. See, whenever we have a journey or whenever we go to a trip, we all take some precautions like first aid box, or we take some extra material so that if anything gets damaged, then it can be usable. It was so dangerous that usage of life jackets, raft drill. That means the waves were so dangerous and were so unfriendly that they had to use life jackets. See students, you all know the meaning of life jackets, which keeps us safe from the waves, from the water, from the storms and from the wave movements. And when the condition was very critical and it was very sensitive, the author, he himself decided to work in rotations. That means for some hours the wife was working, some hours the son had to work, some hours the daughter had to work, and in this manner they cooperated the work rotation, because only that was the option which the author only could not be in trouble. As the wave came, author was thrown out of the ship. Out of the ship means the wave was so hard that it pushed the author out of the ship because of the waves. Again, when the waves hit him, again the wave threw the author inside the boat, inside the ship, because the movement of the wave was very hard and it had such a blow that the author could not understand anything, and for a moment he was unconscious. But being unconscious and being worried, he wanted to see his children. When he saw that they were very safe and secure, then he was quite happy that my family is safe and secure. The family had some injuries, like daughter, she had some injuries on her head, and the author also had his injuries on this eyebrow, or you can say the shoulder and other things. Meanwhile, all this work was going on. Actually, they had one hand pump also for the boat, and which stopped working. It stopped working and it was blocked because of the debris. Debris means it's a wastage material which was stuck inside the boat. Meanwhile, when these four were working hard, the other two, Larry and Swiss, they also started working with them. They pumped out the water because the water was inside the boat, but not it was that much, but it was to the bottom of the level. But that water had to be taken out. So these two people also worked for them. Along with Mary, author, children, they also worked together. They worked together because they knew if we are not together, then it's very risky for us. So only the chapter name is We Are Not Afraid to Die If We All Can Be Together. Later on, slowly as the days passed and as the months passed. Next, they took the help of electric pump, because as I told you just now, the hand pump got blocked because of the debris. So what they had done, they had taken the help of one electric pump. Through this help, they could take out the water from the bottom of the boat. And everything got damaged. The instruments they had brought with them, the hammer they had brought, the other things which they had brought with them, that all got damaged because of the storms, because of the waves and because of the weather. With a struggle, they reached Amsterdam. And Amsterdam was only the place where they could be a little safe. When they reached Amsterdam, they wanted to calculate the time and position. That means where they have reached. Because if they started in the same weather, they could not reach their destinations. So what they did, before reaching to the other place, they reached Amsterdam and there they calculated the time and position. After 36 hours, they had a sigh of relief. When they calculated, they came to know that after 36 hours and plus 15 hours more, they had a sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means now everything was normal. It was not that normal, but it was a little normal. Then after the 2nd January, 3rd and 4th, everything was fine. But January 5th, they had their first meal in those 2 days. That means from 2nd, 3rd and 4th. From these 2 days, 3rd and 4th, they had their first meal in the 2 days. And the son, as you can see here, son encouraged father. And he told that, Father, if we all are together, then nobody can defeat us. We can face the challenge. We can face the waves. We can face the storms and whatnot. but if we all are together. Later on, after struggling these many days, at last they reached Amsterdam, and there they had taken some help of some instruments, because their instruments got damaged. So there they reached Amsterdam, and there they were welcomed by 28 inhabitants. That means it was an island. The place they reached in Amsterdam, that was an island, and we all know that island is in Hindi it's called as tapu, and it's an island where humans can be seen and other things can be seen, and the island was very safe and secure. It was very safe and secure, but not that healthy. That means the family was not that healthy that they could cross still the places or the sea routes, or they could take the boats. But anyhow they reached there and they were alive. Main thing of this family was that they got injuries, they were unhealthy, but they were alive. Their being alive was their happiness. The message of this chapter says that faith, courage, strength, power and bravery, if it is there, then we can be saved from anyone. So these all things made them united, and they could save their lives and they could live happily. Actually, the chapter name is the same thing. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. It shows that the family had struggled a lot. They had suffered the pain, the struggle, the obstacles, the difficulties and the problems. But being all these problems one side, their courage, their cooperation and dedication, these all things were united. So only they could be saved. And this chapter also suits the same.